everybody, and welcome to my channel. And yes, it is time for another Dollar Tree haul. Sorry, my window's open. I thought there was a bunny outside, but there's not. But yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Dollar Tree. I feel like Dollar Tree has been kind of slacking a little bit lately at my usual Dollar Tree, the one I go to. But I try to go the one that's near my work every once in a while, because every time I go there, I always find awesome things. Like, I always find something that I'm not even looking for, and I find it, or I score with a lot of the finds. So I'm pretty excited to share with you guys what I got. Now, I know it's not even that season yet, but last year I was kind of late on buying these because I really wanted them, and by the time I was like, you know what, I'm going to start decorating my mantle, the good ones were taken. So I'm on a hunt to like just look for some decent ones. But I thought these pumpkins are super cute. They got glitter on them. The pumpkins itself are not like in the greatest quality, but I don't care. It's not like I'm going to be standing next to them. But I think these are super cute for fall decorations and Halloween decorations. So I decided to get 2 of them. I might even go back and get a 3rd one just so I can put it in 3 different spots. But these were super cute. And I want to get, that sticker keeps falling off. I want to get them before, before I don't get dibs on them anymore. So, had to definitely get the pumpkins just because they're just so cute. And they're super lightweight, so I was really excited about this. Now, I have been looking for letter or number balloons like crazy. The dollar spot at Target has them, and I really want them, but they never have the numbers that I want. I want a 2 and I want a 5 because I want to use them for when I hit 25,000 subscribers, you guys. Like, that is my 2018 goal. And I've been wanting to find them, and every time I go to Target, they never have them. They never have them. Well, I went to the Dollar Tree, obviously, because this is a Dollar Tree video, and I found them. I was like, oh my gosh. The only thing I don't like is gold. I'm not a gold person. But, like, you know what? I don't care. I found them, and they were for $1. Normal stores, if you guys get these, they want like $7 to $10, and they don't even inflate them. These are ones that you guys can inflate yourself. They gave you a straw in the back. But I thought these are 14-inch, so they're not like super big, but I thought, these are great. And Ben's turning 4 this year, so I thought this would be a great little 4 to put for his birthday party, and if he wants a picture taken with it. But what happens is they actually have little loops on the top, and like right here, and you guys can hang them on the string. But I thought that was super cute. For $1, I got a 4, and then for myself, I got a 2 and a 5. Because I will definitely be using these when I hit 25,000 subscribers. If I'm really desperate, I might even get zeros. But I thought that'd be kind of cute when I do my 25,000 subscriber giveaway. So I had to go ahead and get these. So definitely look for these. These were by the Party Supplies. So I was so excited, you guys. I'm so excited to find those. Now I found these pop chips. I don't know if I've really had the pop chips, but these are the Galaxy Puffs. They're the Star Wars. They're aged white cheddar. I thought they're kind of cute. Don't hate me, but I've kind of only seen the first movie, like half of it, and that's all I've seen for Star Wars. But I'm like, these look kind of interesting, and they are name brand chips. And I thought, you know what, I'm gonna get it for $1. So they got the BB-8 Millennium Falcon. I can't speak. The TIE Fighter and the Stormtrooper. So I thought those would be great to try. You don't get much in the bag, but you know what? I mean, you got that much. I'm not complaining. These are $1, and you get a pretty decent amount. So, yeah. I ended up getting these chips. This baby was all by his lonesome, so I had to just get it. I hate it when chips are all by themselves, but this is a repeat buy. I buy these all the time. Between me, my husband, and my son, we're always eating these for snack food. I mean, you don't get very much in them, but I really like these. And I just hoover these. These are just awesome. They taste awesome. They're great. So again, repeat buy, and I try to get them every time I see them. Sometimes they're there, and sometimes they're not. Now, I also ended up getting a basket because when I get my inserts, I just kind of plop them at my desk. And I really don't organize them very well. Like, I have a thing that I do have, but I have to update the dates on them. Like, I'm like a couple weeks behind, so I just have them stack up on my desk. So I thought, why not just put them in a basket so I can go through it a little bit better. And like, this is just an easy basket to keep on my desk, and this is the color black. So I thought, just something super easy just to keep on my desk. And if I decide I want to get more, I might get more. Just so I can keep my stuff organized until I actually organize my stuff. Now I also got a cake pan or cookie sheet. Now I know it's gonna be weird, but I actually want to get this for road trips for Ben. I want to get some magnets for him to play with, and I heard that these are really good with magnets. Now I might just leave it as is, or I might like spray paint it like a funky color or do some stuff to it, but I thought this would be a great little project for him to play with on road trips, because there are times where I don't want to plan on his he's got a Kindle Fire. I don't want to plan on that, so why not come out with something like this? So now I'm on a hunt to find some cute little activity magnets for him, and for $1 you can't go wrong with that. Now I'm still on a hunt for his birthday party. I'm always trying to find stuff for his birthday party because, you know, we're doing an Easter egg hunt. There's going to be like 10 different kids. I want a variety of stuff. And one thing I found are these golden coins. Now there's silver coins in here and there's like the golden coins. There is 30 pieces in here. I know the kids will think it's real money, but it's kind of cool, you know, being on a little treasure hunt. So I got those to put inside their little Easter eggs, well, birthday eggs, I guess. And then I found a gold medal necklace. I thought those would be kind of cute to put in the kids' baskets or something like that. Or these might be like a prize once you guys find your once they find their eggs. But I'm probably gonna just put them in the eggs. So I thought these are pretty cute, and there's 8 of them in here. So those are definitely gonna be fun to play for the party. I am thinking of having another rummage sale or garage sale because my boxes are just filling up, and it's like I have the garage sales just to get some of my money back that I spend with couponing, and I still sell it cheap enough to help people. I'm not in it to make money. I just, you know, it's nice to have some extra cash, and that money goes right back to couponing. It goes right back into paying for everything. Like, I recycle my money like crazy, so I don't pay any of my regular money. I do pay my regular money, but I like to recycle all my stuff. So I've got more of these signs before they go away. These were great when I did my rummage sale. And the reason is, they cut this one. The reason is because when I posted on my buy, sell, and trade of the town that I live in, I made the signs nice and bold so people couldn't question me what the prices were. They all sell the prices nice and bold online, and I had a lot of people come to my rummage sale because they saw the prices and I didn't have to like talk to them about it. They just came in and saw it, so I got more of those because I went through 2 packs last time. Now it looks like my Dollar Tree is getting all new birthday stuff. Like, they added a ton more of the Lego bricks theme. They also had unicorn birthday party theme stuff, and they're going really big on the emoji stuff. So we found a letter banner that says happy birthday. I have so many letter banners, but I don't care. for $1. Why not? You know, I want to go all out for Ben's birthday. You know, he may or may not be my only child, but I'm spoiling him rotten because this might be his last birthday as a single child. I don't know, and no, I'm not pregnant yet. But I just wanted to get these, and I love it. So we already got the plates for it. We got the napkins, and now they also had balloons, but I'm not getting the balloons yet. Actually, I should have gotten the balloons, but I haven't gotten the balloons yet. So stay tuned, you know, for more emoji stuff, because that's what he wants. And then one of you guys messaged me about calendars. I didn't even know the calendars were out yet. But my store did not have the emoji calendars. I'm sorry, I don't remember who messaged me, but they don't have the emoji calendars. They had all the other ones, but they didn't have the emoji. But I found Hot Wheels. I found Popples, you guys. Popples. All you 80s babies, you guys should know what Popples is. And then I also found Lisa Frank. You guys, Lisa Frank. Now, I know it's 6 months until that year starts, but I am a huge fan of Lisa Frank. I remember having a Lisa Frank notebook. I had the bigger notebook. I had a flat notebook. I had the folders. I had the pencils. I had stickers. I had so much ones of Lisa Frank. And I remember having, I think I even had a notebook of this one. I had a notebook of this one, but I thought, or actually this one, you guys can see it right here. But I loved Lisa Frank, and I thought this would be super cute to have just because I'm a big children at heart. I wanted to get these, even though they'll be around for a while. But I thought these would be kind of cute, or if I want to, I can always cut them apart and do something with them, but I had to get it. I had to get it. So you guys must be on a lookout. Now, my stuff was like picked over like crazy for calendars, but I had to get the Lisa Frank stuff. And then I found these bookmark signets or whatever. Now, I read. Yeah, I read. I've been reading the 50 Shades of Grey, the third book, since the second movie came out. The second movie I started reading it, and I really wanted to finish it before the third movie came out, but I never got to it. And I kind of was going to read it, but then I lost the place because I have like one of those little doily bookmarks, and my son keeps taking it out, and I thought, I saw somebody haul these or somebody take a picture of these, and I thought these are great to put in my book. And there's 6 of them, and they're magnetic, which I'm going to open right now. And I thought these are perfect because now he won't see the bookmark in the thing, so I won't lose my spot. And I do want to start reading more. I do, you guys. I'm just busy. Most of the time I'm busy YouTubing or shopping. I don't get like to sit down, and when I do sit down, I just want to sit and watch movies because I'm a huge movie buff. But it's like I should start reading more. I really should. I got tons of books. I got all the True Blood books I have to read. I'm like on the 3rd book for that. I read the House of Night series. I also read, okay, these are not what I thought they were going to be. I thought these were going to be a metal. I thought these were a metal. I'm sorry, you guys. I thought these were a metal, but they're not. They're not the greatest quality. All they are is like a thick, like vinyl with magnets on the side. I seriously thought these were metal, but they're still going to do good for what I want. I mean, they're not as heavy now, but they do, you know, magnet just as easy. So if you guys need to bookmark certain spots, not just books, go for it. So this one says enjoy. Another one says every day is a new adventure. Passion never fails. Believe you can. Inspire, and best day ever. So I got those. I thought these would be cute. So they'll actually work with what I want. So yes, and that was my Dollar Tree haul. I was pretty excited with some of the items that I found. Some of them are new ones. I just ordered a Dollar Tree gift card, so I am pretty excited to use that because then the husband doesn't get mad at me because I'm using my own money to do that stuff. So I'm definitely super excited to see school. I wouldn't recommend buying school supplies at Dollar Tree unless you see something super cute and you know your guys' prices, but there are some school supplies that I want to get. I kind of want to get a binder, which I have, and I want to start putting stuff in that binder, not coupons, but I want to organize like my shopping stuff like Walgreens, CVS, and just a different way of how I'm going to organize it. I just want to work on something, so that's something I'm on a hunt for, is doing research about that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed my Dollar Tree hauls. I'm starting now to post my Dollar Tree hauls on Fridays. I feel like Saturdays are too busy for you guys. You're all setting up, preparing, hanging out with your family, so why not just relax on a Friday night watching the Dollar Tree haul. So yes, I just want to say thanks for watching again, and I will see you guys all next week for another Dollar Tree haul. My mom is coming into town tomorrow, so we will definitely be doing Dollar Tree hunting, and I will see you guys again. Bye-bye.